Hey, Nana. What's in the say, boo?
I don't even know the reason why.
Now when watch an answer why today.
Hey, what products have you been using?
Unless I ask my neighbor.
Yes, you. Come on.
Hey, what's in your naka? I come here and suffer. Hey, I wanted to ask you something. Is it true that you are dating Bwedi? Bwedi, taxi driver. No?
Me? No.
Yo.
Give me the money. Get out of here. Give me the money. Give me the money.
Wait, I know this kind of about.
I'm not going to let you go. Give me.
Give me the phone. Can I man one soon?
Come in.
Into the bed. What you have?
That's not.
What is the problem?
I took you guys' advice. And it's not my friend. Which of us will know? Because of some money.
But wait, must they beat you because of this? This man is very stupid.
Then I'm asking Saboba. I'm a box na mobile.
The white cheering. I can't say this more. This man is so shameless. How can he slap you in front of us? Why didn't you say Papa?
Your husband is very stupid and senseless at the same time. How can he do this to you?
Manu, someone pay me, man. I can sort you out.
See them how they go from one to another.
And I can hear. I have a lot of rich fine men on my phone. I have their numbers. Who there?
So harmless as a dog.
Well, I'll give you time for you to think about it. Okay. When you are there, do food for you. You deserve better.
Yes, I will battery a dia sumbu, ma.